guys, that's a mentor, the Christian of NAS, Faith, Nasdaq. Okay guys, before I continue, could you please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified once I upload again, guys. So yeah guys, this is just a recap on the pairs that we actually analyzed in the previous videos. Make sure you check the previous video. We analyzed gold, US30 and NAS100. So this is just a recap on those pairs. So let's see man, let's just check what's happening on Nasdaq. So currently on Nasdaq, let's just start with Nasdaq. Okay, let's just start with gold, because in the previous video we started with gold. So okay, on this one again, let's just start with gold. Okay, let's go for gold. Let's see what's happening. So on gold, what I can tell guys, gold, yes, gold respected our analysis. The way we analyzed gold, it actually respected. We did kill gold. And again, US30 again, you can see US30 respected our analysis. And again, okay, let's just start with this one, US30. So guys, I told you guys that on this one, remember guys, I told you guys that the market was somewhere here, that once the market break this certain point here, the market has to like obviously come to the 90% rule at the below side. So on this one, remember I told you guys that the market has to like reach to the certain point here for 90%. Once it breaks here, you can see the market already like broken this trend line here, so it is coming to this bottom side here at this 90% rule. That's when we can say again, once it breaks this certain zone here, that's when we can say we are coming to the 90% rule of the overall uptrend here, of this overall uptrend. Remember, the 90% rule of this overall uptrend is where the market decided to break here. The 90% rule of this small one here, it is here. So here, once the market again breaks and give us the retest, the 90% rule is still here on the overall uptrend. See, remember the 90% rule, it is actually where the uptrend is started. That's where the market has to like end once it break that uptrend. See, so this one is perfect enough, respected. So even if we can identify this certain point here, this certain point, it is the one that can actually make the market to reverse. So we can just highlight it, so it becomes our resistance. So again, if we wanna scale in, we believe that the market has to like come to this certain point here for a retest in order for it to like drop to this certain point here. See, so this one is perfect. Sorry, this one is perfect, proper. So yeah, let's just jump to our gold, so we can see what's happening on gold. Yeah, gold guys, it did respect our analysis proper. Yeah guys, I told you guys that eventually the market has to like give us the double top in order for it to like break this trend line. So this one again has to like break this trend line here. So currently we get to understand that the market respected our analysis on the previous video, and you can see the market is below the certain resistance here. So here we actually looking forward to selling opportunities. Remember okay, let me just do this, sorry. So like this guys, so you can see the market already like broken here, broken everything here. This is 2 hour chart, you can see. So here the market broken here, so this is just a literal a retest actually here. This is literally a retest here. So for it to retest here, it has to like retest here so it can break here. See, so it can break this trend line here. See, the trend line here has to be like broken, because like the market already like broke this certain resistance at this certain point here. So currently at the current market price, we're looking out for selling opportunities to the downside. We believe the market has to like drop at a certain point where the current market is. We believe the market has to drop and come at this certain point here, as this is our nearest zone. See, so this one is proper. This one is proper again, because we get to understand that the sales are very strong here. The sales are very strong. So yeah, guys, 1 hour time frame. Let's see on the 1 hour time frame what's happening on the 1 hour time frame, because like you can see everything has been respected here. See, so yeah, let's see what's happening on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is a 1 hour time frame here. So currently we get to understand that sales are very strong at that current market price because of this resistance level here. Because of this resistance level here, the market has to like retest at a certain point in order for it to come to the below side. So this one is proper again. Selling opportunities are very strong here. Look out for sales here currently on gold. So yeah, even if you can adjust it to this certain point, you can see the market has to drop at a certain point. See, then from there let's jump to NASDAQ, because NASDAQ is the one that actually didn't respect our but I told you guys on the previous video that for us to actually consider sales, we must wait for the market to break this certain zone. So eventually you can see the market already like broken this certain point, but yes, we have to like go with the market. We have to like go with what the market actually is telling us. Currently we get to understand that the market broken this certain zone, so we get to understand that the market has to like, remember the 90% rule of this one has to be finished. So currently at this one, we actually are looking forward for the retest. Remember, if I can switch to 4 hour time frame, you can see that the retest is not there on the 4 hour time frame. We don't have like we don't have an actual retest on this one here, because like we actually we get to understand that the market has to like the market has to like come here for a retest in order for it to give us the 90%. So that's why I told you guys on the previous, if you can watch the previous videos, guys, I told you guys that the market, yes, there's a chances of the market breaking this certain zone, but for us to actually consider sales, we must wait for the market to break the certain zone. You see, so currently, yes, today we killed New York session at 3:30 on NASDAQ on the buys. We killed this one because the market was where the market was above this certain zone. This certain point, remember this certain point was a strong point until the market decided to break. So the buys were very strong when the market was here. So we decided to take buys from here to push to the upside. So yes, we took buys here, we killed. Then boom, the market decided to like break the certain zone, of which we get to understand that sales are very strong because of now the market is below the certain zone. See, so we believe if you wanna like take sales to a certain point here, we must wait for the market. There's a chances of the market coming back to retest at the certain point in order for it to come here, so it can shoot to the upside. See, so yeah, there's a chances of the market doing that. So let's just remove this one, so we understand that that point the market actually didn't respect the way we wanted it to respect. But you can see what's happening currently. We really like we really see that okay, now the market is where here at this certain point here. Okay, let me just take this one here. Really understand that the market is here currently, so we believe if we want to take sales, we believe just wait for the market to come and retest at this certain point in order for you to take your sales to this position here, because we believe the market has to give us the more buying opportunities and strong buys once it touches the certain point for it to like go to the top side to fill the 90% here. See, we believe this certain point is the one that is very strong, that could make the market to go to the top side. See, so selling opportunities are there, but are not that like they are not gonna be in a long run. So we get to understand that the market, once the market touches that certain point, you can take yourselves to a certain point here. Then that's when the buys are gonna be in the long run, because like here we literally like looking out for buys because of the 90%. So we believe sales are there and the buys are there. But currently we get to understand that if you wanna take your sales, just wait for the market. Remember guys, you must plan your entries. One thing that I'll tell you guys that you guys need to plan your entries. If you don't plan your entries, then you're gonna have a problem. You can see I always like plan my entries. You can see now I actually plan my entries that okay, once the market actually come to this certain point, that's when I'm gonna take my sales to the downside. See, I cannot just currently yes, buyers are there, but me, I'm gonna be comfortable with my sales once the market come to this certain point here. So I'm gonna take my sales to the downside, to the below side. Then I'm gonna take my buys at the certain point here. That's when you tend to understand that even when I actually like analyze the market, actually like respect most of my setup, because like I do plan my entries. See, remember guys, entry matters. Entry is the one that matters. Even you can have like a good setup, but the what matters is the good entry. So currently we get to understand that the good entry is gonna be where at this certain point, once the market touches at this certain point, that's when you tend to understand that the good entry will be there. See, currently yes, buys are there to this certain point, but that one is a risk entry. But this one, you know guys, like if I would like to educate you on this one, there's what we call a risk entry and a reduced risk entry. There's what we call a risk entry and a reduced risk entry. So currently, if you get to understand, at this current market price, this is a risk entry. But at the certain point here, this is a reduced risk entry. Because of what? Currently you get to understand that like reduced risk entries are on the places that the market retest. I don't know if you guys understand. Let me just do this now. Let me show you the risk entry and the reduced risk entry. So if let's say maybe we have like a sorry guys, I told you guys I don't know how to draw, but let's try. Okay, this is an uptrend. As this is an uptrend, I want to show you guys the entry types. So I want to show you first. Okay, so let's say maybe we have an uptrend. Guys, I told you guys I don't know how to draw, but at least I've tried. So yeah, okay, so as this is an uptrend, so I want to show you first. So yeah, as you can see here, this is a breakout. So this is a breakout here. This is a breakout. there's a breakout here. Ne? Let me just use this thing, because I feel like if I use this one, you guys will get confused. Okay, let me just do this. Let me just point it to here. There's a breakout here. Ne? There's a breakout. Ne? So as there's a breakout here, there are those that are gonna take sells here, ne? As a breakout. For you to take sells here, once the market breaks here, it's a risk entry. So you taking sells once the market breaks here, it's a risk entry. That one we call it the risk entry here. On the breakout, it's a risk entry. Yeah. Risk entry. Yeah. You taking sales here, it's a risk entry here. But you waiting for the market. If you can wait for the market to retest at a certain point here, this will be a what? Remember, this one is a retest. Okay, let me just put this thing here. Okay, let me just put it here. But I guess you guys do understand. So here, remember, there's a retest. Yeah. So as there's a retest here, you taking sales on the retest at a certain point. That one we call it a what? A reduced risk entry. See, so you taking sales here, you can call it the reduced risk entry. That one is proper. So these are types of entries, guys. These are types of entries. So this one is perfect. I hope you guys do understand this one. So currently, if you can look at this point, and again here, so here, again at the certain point here, this could be a risk entry, and again at the certain point here, this could be a what? A reduced risk entry because of the breakout here, and a retest has to be here. See, we don't have a retest currently after the breakout, so the retest has to be here in order for the market to shoot to the downside. So yeah, I hope this one makes sense. So yeah, I hope this one is proper, guys. This one is perfect. So yeah, this one is perfect. This one is perfect, guys. So yeah, yeah, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's keep the channel growing, and thanks to 100 subscribers, guys. I really appreciate it, guys, a lot. I really appreciate it. So let's keep pushing the channel. Make sure you share with your friends and your family, guys. Make sure you like the videos, guys. Please like the videos and comment if you want to comment. Subscribe, guys. Some of you guys are not subscribing to the channel. So guys, please subscribe to the channel. Yeah. So yeah, guys, meet you guys on another video, guys. That's your mentor, the Christian of NAS, Faith Nasdaq. I'm signing out, guys. Thank you.